guys. Open lens. Alright guys, it helps to have a good Sawzall blade. That one's a hot one. I found these Diablo blades. I watch a guy called Project Farm, and he does a lot of testing of oils and, you know, which is the best synthetic oils to get, and just little tests he does. And he does blade tests, and he does a real good test on these the Sawzall blades. And I do a lot of sawing with the Sawzall blades doing exhaust work, so in no way am I getting paid by Diablo or whoever makes these. But these are actually really nice blades. I bought a pack of 5. That's my first one. And I mean, I've been using it for quite a while. It's beat. I mean, it's gone, but you know, the end's still good. I used it to cut these just now, and it's still usable for if I have to get into a tight spot or something. I might use it again. But I'm going to show you how quick this thing cuts through these rivets, and they're no fun. So, all right, hold your ears. As you can see, it's not still not an easy task, even with a good blade. But you see the teeth on that blade? I mean, virtually no damage. I don't see one tooth knocked off of it. You can see a dulling of a couple sides on the teeth. But these are very tough blades. Believe me, that's not an easy one. Okay, just a quick tip on these Diablo blades. They work really good. Alright guys, stay tuned. I still got another rivet and a little grinding off the top, and then drill a hole down through the center, or a couple of them. We'll come back.